Hi, let's try to open this Brinks. This is from Sami Hyötylä. He sent me 5 locks. There were 1 arrow, S-alloy arrow lock and 1 small S-lock and master V-line and Abus titanium and this Brinks. So the titanium and the V-line are only locks that I haven't been able to get open, but the arrow, S-alloy arrow lock is pretty difficult to pick. I don't know if it was half picked already when I got it, because first time I got it open, it just popped open just like that, but after then I haven't been able to open it, so yeah. But thanks Sami, and I think that at least some of the locks are from Steel Pinnings, another great YouTube lockpicker from, I believe, in Texas, if I remember correctly, Texas, United States. I haven't seen these kinds of Brinks locks sold anywhere here in Finland, because I don't think they import them too much here in Finland. I have seen, is it Stanley or I believe the brand is Stanley Lock Company. I've seen those kind of locks, and of course alloy, as it is Finnish. But no, I haven't seen alloys pin tumblers, because I think that alloy only sells disc detainer locks here in Finland. Don't quote me on that, but that's just how I feel. Because I haven't seen any alloy pin tumblers. But yeah, it felt good to get open on a lock that says alloy, S-alloy, that arrow lock, I mean. I was like, woohoo, I got an alloy open. Because alloys they are famous for their difficulty. Is there any YouTuber who can get new alloy disc detainers lock by picking? If you know anyone, please let me know too, because I'm very interested to see that. Or are they absolutely pick proof locks?
Candle. It meant so much to me because she said for all the birthdays she had missed, and now she's finally going to be here for one. So guys, this letter I'm going to put in the fire because it's my angry letter towards you. Why weren't you there for me? I don't understand how you could leave. I'm really sorry. I understand that you're angry with me and I shouldn't have took off or did anything to get back and change it. There's nothing I could do. It's just kind of a letter.
And I use these 15,000 because this has kind of paracentric keyway, and it is more easier to get a little leverage from bottom of the keyway when you use this 15,000 from that Praxis Dangerfield Praxis set. As you can see, I color coded them with heat shrink. Reds are 15,000 and blacks are 23,000. I think I'm just one pin away, but I just can't find. This is aggravating. Open, you bastard! Open! Okay. Fuck. Let's hope that we didn't lose anything. Oh fuck, there goes our fault set, went away. But we got it open, as you can see. Yeah, now I have picking video on this. I only had open video on this lock. But yeah, thanks for watching, and this was Brinks laminated padlock, 40mm. And yeah, thank you Still Pinnings, and thank you Sami Hyötylä, and if you like my videos, please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe, and bye.